Did you know that over half of minor fender benders go unrecorded because drivers don't have reliable dash cams? Welcome back to Autovated. Today we're breaking down the Vantrue E1 Lite 1080p Wi-Fi Mini Dash Cam, a compact dash camera that promises full HD recording, GPS tracking, voice control, and 24-hour parking protection, all in one bundle with a CPL filter and Hardwire kit. I've gone through expert tests, verified buyer feedback, and competitor comparisons to give you the clearest picture of what this camera can do. First up, the key features. The E1 Lite records in 1080p plus HDR with a 160-degree wide-angle lens. That f1.8 aperture really helps in low-light conditions, meaning number plates and minor details are easier to capture at night, solving the common pain point of blurry footage when it's needed most. Built-in Wi-Fi and a free mobile app let you live stream, download, and share footage instantly, keeping you in control without touching the camera. GPS and speed tracking log your vehicle's location, route, and velocity, which can be invaluable if you ever need evidence for insurance claims. Finally, hands-free voice control and 24-hour parking mode make it a genuinely convenient solution for everyday driving, whether you're cruising down the freeway or parked in a busy lot. Pros: compact and discreet design fits almost anywhere. HDR recording ensures readable footage day and night. GPS adds extra accountability. App integration makes sharing and editing simple. Voice commands reduce distraction. 24-hour parking mode provides around-the-clock protection. Cons: voice control supports limited languages only. Setup of the Hardwire kit may be tricky for non-technical users. Some reviewers noted the app can be occasionally laggy, and nighttime HDR performance, while good, isn't quite as sharp as higher-end competitors like the Vantrue E1 Pro. Compared to similar mini dash cams in its price range, the E1 Lite stands out for its combination of Wi-Fi streaming, GPS, and parking features. While some competitors may offer slightly higher resolution or broader language support, they often lack this level of app integration or come at a higher cost. The Hardwire kit included here is a nice bonus that usually costs extra elsewhere. Build quality is solid for a mini dash cam. The materials feel durable, and its compact form factor reduces the risk of accidental bumps. Based on brand reputation and user feedback, it's reliable for daily commuters, though long-term usage data beyond a year is limited. Customer support from Vantrue has a generally positive reputation, and the company responds reasonably quickly to inquiries. This dash cam is best suited for daily drivers looking for peace of mind, tech-savvy commuters who want easy sharing of footage, or anyone concerned about parked vehicle security. It's less ideal for performance drivers who need ultra-high frame rates or professional-grade night vision. If this breakdown is giving you clarity on dash cam choices, tap that like button and subscribe to stay in the fast lane of fresh, honest reviews. You won't want to miss what's next. Verdict: strong option. If you value reliable all-around coverage with smart features and app integration, the Vantrue E1 Lite is one of the stronger choices in its class. For tighter budgets, the Vantrue E1 Lite is worth considering, but you'll lose some of the convenience features. Thanks for watching. The link to grab this bundle is in the comments and description. If you have questions or already own the E1 Lite, drop your thoughts below. Goodbye for now, and stay charged, connected, and autovated.